As we prepare for the return of the Olympic Games, Olympic memorabilia is coming back onto everyone's resale radar. So today, we're going to take a pause from our thrifting so we can take a moment to get our finger on the Olympic pulse. Which Olympic collectibles have been doing well on the resale market these days? Let's see if the Worth Point Price Guide can help us find out. Now, we'll make sure to filter these results for recent sales. We want to see what's selling right now. Here's an Olympic Games poster. It's from the infamous 1972 Munich Games, resold for $62.50 in June 2024. We also have this lot with plates and what appears to be a beer stein. Didn't resell for too terribly much. A commemorative toy truck, again not reselling for a whole lot. And here's a great listing. This is interesting to me. We've got a lot of Olympic pins from Xerox, which must have been an Olympic sponsor. This whole lot resold for around $30. As we scroll down, we are seeing more pins. We also see a set of stamps. Here's another poster. This one looks to be signed. And as we keep scrolling, we have a variety of pins at a variety of resale price points. There are a lot of different kinds of designs with these pins, which is really exciting to me. We're also seeing a bit of vintage apparel as well. We have some Levi's Olympic apparel from 1984. And down here, another Levi's hit, this vintage track jacket. I love this find because we have an example of stylish vintage Levi's fashion, which is really in these days in the resale marketplace, and it's an Olympic collectible, all in one. Now, if we filter our search results so that instead of seeing recent resale prices, we are seeing our highest resale prices, we are getting a very different set of items. A lot of signed jerseys and shoes, a hockey mask from the famous Miracle on Ice game. This is a fairly old listing. This is from back in 2012, but the Olympic torch from that year's games resold for over $31,000. We're also seeing some actual gold medals find their way into these results. And here's something that's very unique. This is Michael Jordan's official credential pass from 1992, resold in 2022 for over 30 grand. Incredible. But if these items are out of your price range, don't worry because Olympic pins are a great find, along with vintage Olympic apparel and the occasional stuffed mascot. And because these pin designs vary so much, it makes them even more collectible. It's really fun to see the different types of pin styles and colors. They're so tiny, so easy to store, so easy to ship. And if you want to learn more about Olympic pins, we do have a video interview with a couple of Olympic pin collectors. Scroll down to the description if you want to get that link and watch that video to learn a bit more about this item. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like this episode and subscribe to the Worth Point YouTube channel so you never miss a moment of our shopping and our research. Until next time, keep thrifting.